This is for you. It should give you an idea as to how to take the handle apart and put it back together of the DynaMop hand pressed handle. Okay, so first we'll take this and turn clockwise. You want to turn clockwise to remove it because it's a reverse thread. Okay, and once it's removed, pay attention to this housing, the spring housing inside. There's a spring. There's a spring in this bell-shaped housing. You don't want to lose this. If it's lost, it's not going to function right. So make sure they stay inside of this cap. Okay. And to take it apart, you'd like to turn this loose. Okay. And here. All right. Let's tighten it first. All right. Just take a screw, a Phillips head screwdriver, and just remove that. Remove this screw that's exposed. Okay. And there's a little cap underneath the screw. The cap comes off with it. Okay. And at this point, this can come off. This is the clutch, swirl clutch. This is the key to the spin. Here. Oh, there's also a fine spring sitting inside. You try not to lose this. Even if it's lost, it's not going to affect too much, but it's best to have it stay in its own position. Okay. So at this point, you can just take this apart. Take it off. Okay. And also, you can further now take the tooth plates out. Okay. Come out. Now, pay attention to the slanted lines, and then down in the bottom there are two straight lines. Okay, the two notches, there's two straight lines. These two straight lines on both of them must go down toward the bottom, downwards. Okay, you cannot reverse it because it's not going to work. So make sure these two lines, this is important, these two lines go back down in there. So this is all the parts that's there. Just one thing I'd like to show. See how this is so flexible? This toothpaste is made of the nylon material. So it's not going to affect, it's going to be very durable. Here, to put it back, just make sure they go into the groove. There are two grooves where the label goes. Right? Again, make sure these two lines are going downwards. Like that. Right? See how they're sitting in there? So you just push it down all the way. Okay. And now push this up in there. This spring, this fine spring goes over here. Cup it over. Turn. And then just put the screw back. Use the screwdriver. Oops, I did the wrong way. The other side. Okay. And again, make sure that spring is there. And turn the counterclockwise to tighten. Again, this is reverse thread, remember? So counterclockwise. And if you want it really tight, you can put some warm hot air by blowing some hot air using an air dryer to kind of condition the plastic, or you can give yourself a little leverage by turning it that way. So now it's very, very tight. Right here. That's it. Thank you for watching.